Check out this colonial in Northville, Michigan. This one's built in 1973, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Above grade is about 2,500 square feet. There's a partially finished basement that adds additional like 500 or 600 square feet space, so making the total livable space just over 3,000 square feet. So this one was built prior to 1978, so lead-based paint disclosure applies. This one houses the first unit in this community. So right now we're next to 6 Mile Road. This is one of the main road. Give you a neighborhood view. This one has a pretty big lot. I think it's over half an acre, and you can see in the past when they build the house, it's far away from one another. 2 cars attached garage, side discharge. Also have a separate door to the garage, so that means you may have actual space to store your lawnmowers, put up shelvings. So the bricks used for the siding are reclaimed bricks. You can see they have some paint in it. I was told some of these reclaimed bricks a lot of them are from the Chicago areas. Some people like these bricks. The issue I encounter with this type of bricks is over time some of the bricks are meant to be used in the interior, and when you put them as a siding over time, they're going to like shatter, crack, peel off. I just saw some of the features of that, like this brick face, right, and the cracks. Not too big deal. You can find bricks to replace these. It's just these bricks will wear over time. That chimney looks okay. This chimney is the fireplace. So you can see here the first course of bricks, some of the mortar start to deteriorate. Need to keep eyeing and do tuck and pointing. Now this chimney overall looks fine. This one has newer roof shingles, also the drip edge. The upper half have aluminum siding. So overall exterior checkout. Really flat backyard. A lot of usable space. Now in the front you just have one, this might be the oak tree, just one big tree. Very simple landscaping, easy to maintain. Front have a covered porch, it's really helpful. Also the owner has put the gutters guard, so this will keep your gutters from clogged by all the tree leaves and limbs. Now this section, the gutters does look like it's clogged, but this roof has shallow slope, very easy to walk on. This is the front step. You can see the concrete surface start to crack and spalling. All right, we're in the house. Definitely a good showing condition. Has very light scented smell to it. So this is the front foyer. You can definitely tell when the homes were built in this age, don't have the 2-story foyer. Doesn't give you that spectacular feeling to it, but it makes good use of the space. So this is stairs. This is one of the downside. It has a 90-degree turn, and also here the ceiling height is not great. When you have a king-size bed, if you need to move to the 2nd floor, this could be the first challenging point. Okay, turn to the right. Traditional colonial layout. This is the living area. Nice big windows. This windows faces west. neutral paint throughout. These paint are it's mostly beige, has a brownish tone to it. Floor is carpeting, formal dining. Now let's move to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, very clean. The kitchen is not spacious by today's standard. Cabinets looks pretty nice. It has the dovetail joints. Granite countertop. Now from the kitchen, the finish and the color, you probably can tell when the owner refinished the kitchen. So I will say this probably was finished about 10 years ago when this color and was in fashion. Now overall the granite looks pretty nicely. Undermount sink. Check out the plumbing. Plumbing is copper. Plenty of cabinetry space. This is hardwood floor. Overall the floor looks fine, just have some dirty spots that needs to cleaning, but overall not bad. Window looks good too. These are vinyl windows, and you can see how thick the seal is. These are nice windows. So this informal dining has a good space. You can definitely set in a table and sit 4 or 5 people to have dinner here. Family room. This one has a step. LVP floor. Large sliding door wall. Now this change is started outside, but right now it's using the self-circulation mode. It's not vented to the outside, but I think the duct work is in place. It's just it's not set up correctly. All right, keep moving. Here we have the half bath. Half bath is updated as well. Nice tiled wall, pendant light. The toilet, how the floor in this area looks nice. And here we got another room, so this can be used as office. Recessed lights, decent space. Room size is 10 by 10. Now this section, the hardwood floor is really worn. All the finish, the epoxy or polyurethane is all gone, and also the stain is gone as well. So at a minimum, probably this is where the chair used to be. This needs the floor needs refinishing. This is the door that leads to the basement, which we'll check out later. All right, going upstairs and check out the upper level. Okay, so this is stairs. We start from the left. Bedroom number 1. Closet. 2 windows. That window is really small. So that's another feature for older homes, that windows are small, especially for homes in the north area. This room size is about 13 by 12. Let's have a newer ceiling fan. Closet space. Access to the attic. All right, check out bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is about same size. Hardwood floor overall looks fine. accent wall. This one probably was used as a blackboard. All right, keep moving. Here we have the full bathroom. Full bathroom has original ceramic. No, this is a mosaic tiled floor. 30 inches tall vanity. They do put in a new granite top. Large mirror. Updated vanity light. Exhaust fan all in place. Steel top, 4-inch tile. Now the tile looks really beautiful. It's amazing to see the tile work from the 1970s or the 1960s that are well maintained in pristine condition. All right, keep moving. Check out bedroom 3. Bedroom 3, 12 by 12. Now, one thing to note is the ceiling height. So the ceiling height is barely 8 feet, or even less than 8 feet. So sometimes when you look at the public record, it would categorize these homes as 1 3/4, 1 story, instead of the full 2-story homes. All right, check out the master bedroom. A little bit spacious, not overly spacious than the other rooms. Here we got some markings or damage to half of the floor. You can see here we got almost like a scribble, and some of the planks have additional wear to it. This window has condensation. Now the ceiling fan runs very, very quietly. Now this bathroom doesn't receive any updates. Even the vanity light is pretty old-fashioned. Now this glass door, now this pin doesn't retract very easily, and looks like the seal, definitely the seal needs work. You can see they apply a caulking to the door, but again, over the times the mold started to grow. So this shower probably was used the most heavily and shows signs of wear and tear, but at least the shower panel feels sturdy. It's not wobbling at all. So all you need to do is just clean up all the grout and keep an eye on the caulking around the shower floor pan, and that's about it. You can also paint or stain this, reglaze these tiles, just make it look newer. Take a look from the other angle. All right, check out the basement. Now, part of the basement is fully finished. Has drop tile ceiling. It's recessed the lights, but because of the height of the limitation of the basement, when you are in the finished area, you do feel like it's really cramped. It's really low. You can't even just stretch your arm straight without hitting the ceiling. The basement has LVP floor, mechanical area, furnace is running. So the original basement's height is probably about 8 feet. They do put in glass block windows. Furnace not overly noisy. And here you just have wide open space. Again, ceiling feels really low. If you're 6 feet tall, your head might scratch the ceiling tile. Here we do have a bar area. So this right now is a dry bar. Right now it's used as a 2 storage, and this is the under stair storage space. Floor drain, that's nice to have. This concludes the virtual tour of this colonial home in Northville, Michigan. Right now this one is listed as $600,000.